Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Well, I hope you guys have had a good Christmas and an even better New Year. And well, today we have got a fun little gadget, which is the Servo V8 mini super small bottle style mobile phone. Now this mini mobile phone does come in various different styles and colours. So it comes in green, blue, black and red, which we've got just here. Now the other colours do replicate certain brands like Heineken and Pepsi. I did get this mini mobile phone off the Banggood website, and I must say I'm quite intrigued to see how good it performs, even though yes, it is a bit of a gimmick. So without further ado, let's delve right in. Let's see what we have on the front of the box. Now it does state that it is the best and the smallest backup phone in the world. Now I have seen phones that are a lot smaller than this, but still the specifications do state that it does indeed have HD voice pickup, and there are a few more specifications, such as this mobile phone being dual SIM and memory card supported. It also states that you can play music too, so I don't know, I think we should just get stuck in and let's open it up. So we have a micro USB cable, so no type C on this mobile phone. That's okay though. It looks like we've got some type of, is it a lanyard? Yeah, it's a lanyard, so you'll be able to hang this around your neck. And we've got a user manual, which, yes, that's good to see. We've got some English instructions. So no multi-language instructions, but we'll sure give them a read when we have time to. Let's move these out the way for now, and let's look at the mobile phone itself. So, okay. Oh, yes, it's got the Pepsi sign, even though it just says Servo. Looks like we've got some type of camera too. It's made out of mainly ABS plastic, and let's have a good look at some of the features. First things first, when you compare it to say the Samsung S9 Plus, you can clearly see the comparison in size. Now the height of this mobile phone is 105mm, the width is 31mm, and just looking how thin this mobile phone actually is, well, it measures 16.6mm. Weight of this unit is really light. It weighs only 29 grams, and let's just have a look at a few more specifications. So this Servo V8 mobile phone is 2G. It has an MTK processor, it does indeed have Bluetooth built in, it is a Nano SIM card dual SIM, and a talk time of 6 hours and a standby time of 120 hours. Let's go ahead and take a closer look, and we have a mini keypad, which does feel quite durable. We have a central multifunction button, there are some selection buttons too, with a 2-inch screen above, and looks like we've got some type of torch to the top. Going to be quite interesting to see how bright it actually is. But to the bottom, there is that micro USB charge port, there is indeed a microphone, to the side there is 2 pinholes where that lanyard is inserted, and moving on to the back, well, we've got a speaker, the camera, and that's about it. We've got the usual Servo logo. It's funny how they put the 300mm at the bottom, that's good to see. And we've also got that Servo logo again on the bottom of the front screen. So how do you actually open this? Let's see. Maybe you can get a coin in there. Oh, it's a bit of a toughie, this one. Now opening up the case was kind of hard to do. Basically I had to use this screwdriver just here and pry open the sides. And inside we have the Servo 300 mAh battery. Just take the security tape off. And inside the phone we have those dual SIM slots. So to insert the SIM card, you basically just pull the SIM card clasp up, insert the SIM card and press it back down again. Actually does feel quite fragile, so be very careful. Now that's in, let's go ahead and insert a memory card. You do have a depiction of how it should go in just there. That's in place. And lastly, let's put the battery in. Let's seal this phone up and see what it can do. So here's the power button just here, and we are greeted by the Servo logo. Yeah. Oh, snazzy! Nice tone, I like it. Okay, so guys, I've done this twice now. Doesn't seem like my SIM card is being picked up at all. Seems to only want to register T-Mobile SIM cards. But nevertheless, you can actually hook this up and use this via the Bluetooth, so we might use that option in a short while. So first of all, to unlock the phone, you simply got to press this top left button, followed by the start key, just like the old mobile phones. So to the top we've got the battery display indicator, we've got what network it's on, which is T-Mobile UK, with the time and date needs setting. You've got various different indicators to the top like you do on normal mobile phones. Let's look at the menu. We've got the phone book, we've got settings, organizer, profiles, multimedia, messages, and back to the phone book again. So let's have a look at the settings. So we've got the call center, phone settings, security settings, dual SIM card settings, so the time and date. So we're gonna have to set that. Abu Dhabi, no, that's not my city. Set the home city. So basically you've got a single click to scroll through. Yep, oh, we've got some hold. Our home city is London apparently. The year, it's got 2019. So we're going to change that to 20. So you got a few ringtones. Let's have a look. Yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah, boy. Not great. Woo! Never rise, never sunset. Never heard that before. Message tone. Let's have a look. Oh God, what's this? An Atari game? Displays wallpaper. Ooh, okay. So it only seems to have one image, which is kind of strange how it's got the Heineken image, yet it's Pepsi. So unfortunately we've got the Heineken background. We need to get rid of that. And like I said, you can get this mobile phone in a green version, and that would be the actual Heineken replica. So you got various different settings. The keypad got a backlight. Oh yes, the keypad does light up. Okay, that's cool. Let's go through some of the actual functions. So if you press and hold the number 1 button, it comes through the sound recorder. So it's recording my voice just now. Should we see what it sounds like? Hello guys and welcome back. Let's have a listen back. So it's recording my voice just now. Should we see what it sounds like? Hello guys and welcome back. Multimedia, camera. So it does actually have a working camera. How these? Okay. So it does have a working camera. Switch to video. Okay, it does have video. Bye, camera time. Yeah, James Bond 007. License to thrill. So it's recording. Let's have a look. We'll just film some footage. So as you can see, ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at the pixels. So that is what the camera can do. Not great, but if you want it for a spy camera, you know, if you want it to incriminate your boss, perfect. The audio player, let's have a look at the audio player. Cool. Basically, you've got everything that is on, say, a basic phone. So let's press the central button for a few seconds, and that should turn the torch on. Yes. Let's see how bright it is. You know what? For a small little bulb, it's kind of bright. Zzz. And to turn the torch off, well, you simply got to press that same button. So let's quickly go through some of the other functions. So press down to open the camera. Left click to open the right button. You can simply write whatever you want, your memoirs if you want. If you press the right shortcut button, it will go to the music player. That central button also acts as the OK button too, and there's many other options, including, yes, the BT button. So the Bluetooth button is just here at the bottom. So that's our shortcut button. So let's hold and press it. And Bluetooth is now on. Basically, go over to your device or your mobile phone, turn on Bluetooth, select Servo V8, and it will come up with a password. Enter 4 zeros and enter 4 zeros upon your device too. Press OK and allow all access from this mini mobile phone. And within seconds you'll be connected to this nice Pepsi mini mobile phone. So yes, we have access to some phone numbers, so let's phone someone and have a little talk, shall we? Who should have phoned? Ghostbusters. Phone 333 and dial. Is it ringing? That's great. You phoned the AA.
Hey dude, you alright mate? Let me just put you on speakerphone. You're on speakerphone now. How you doing?
Yeah, well,
How you doing?
I'm good.
You doing good?
Yeah,
Happy New Year.
thanks.
So, how does the call sound from that end?
It sounds fine.
Sounds fine. Okay, so I'm speaking on speakerphone at the moment. So everything's clear. There's no muffling or nothing.
No, everything's pretty much clear.
Oh, cheers. Anyway, I'll let you get back to what you're doing, yeah? Alright, no problem. Catch you later.
Right.
Bye.
Okay, so calls using this mobile phone is not too bad. There's not much of a delay. From the opposite end, it's very clear. But from this end, I must say that the volume is just a tad bit low. You can put it on speakerphone though, which is great. It is just loud enough. So if you're going to be using this out and about, which I very much doubt it, and you're in a crowded atmosphere, then you're not going to hear very much. So no, you have no internet access on this mobile phone. It seems to be locked on a certain SIM. It keeps coming up with T-Mobile. I've got a SIM card, I've inserted it in slot 1, inserted it in slot 2, so I think that it may need unlocking. That's the pain, really. Okay, so what do I actually think about this mobile phone? Well, I think it is a good gadget. It's a great little gimmick. Do I think I'm going to be using it? No, very much doubt it. I think my kids have been very much interested in it. I think teenagers might like it. Teenagers, kids might think it's a good laugh. But for what it does and how big it is, and for the cost, by the way. I mean, I got this for £12.61. That's $16.65 in US dollars. And for that price, well, you got a working mobile phone, great little gadget, nice little spy torch, and just a basically fantastic fun little product, which would have been a great little stocking filler towards Christmas, really, to be honest. Yeah, great for birthdays too. But what would I honestly give this Servo V8 mobile phone out of my usual rating out of 10? Well, today I think I'm going to give this cool little gadget spin the bottle, 7 out of 10. I gave it a 7 because it really wasn't accessible for my EE SIM card. Listen, you have to understand this is a cheap product. You're not going to get the best thing in the world. It is a gimmick after all, and it is not to be took too seriously. Camera, okay, isn't the best in the world, but like I said, for that price, just over £10. £10 for a little mini mobile phone. Kind of cool. But yes, we're certainly going to be doing more little, should I say, spy gadgets in the next up and coming videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I thank you all for watching this video today. I hope you have a great new year, and if you can, share this video wherever possible. I'd very much appreciate it. So that's it. Stay tuned for my new videos coming very, very soon, and I'll see you guys over on those videos. Thanks for watching, and peace! Pepsi!